26. It's a pivotal age for the future of the U.S. healthcare system. There are more Americans who are 26 years old than any other age. 4,750,000 of them. Their ranks include such famous names as Jennifer Lawrence, Kristen Stewart, and Chris Colfer. 26 is the age at which you're no longer eligible to stay on your parents' health care plan, and 26-year-olds are also smack in the middle of the millennial generation, a cohort of mostly 18 to 34-year-olds that saw the uninsured rate drop from 29% before Obamacare to last year 16%. How will the Republican plan to replace Obamacare, if enacted, affect millennials? It's difficult for experts to nail down. They do anticipate that the cost for millennials to purchase insurance on the individual market under the GOP plan will go down. That's because the bill allows insurance companies to charge older people, often with much higher medical costs, 5 times what they charge the younger, healthier cohort. Currently, that ratio is 3 to 1. Even so, despite millennials getting potentially lower insurance premiums under the GOP plan, other Republican changes could have a negative impact on their access to health insurance. Of the 8 million young adults who gained coverage under Obamacare, almost half of them got it through the ACA's expanded Medicaid program for low-income Americans. The GOP's plan would give states greater flexibility in how they spend federal funds while reducing the amount of money Uncle Sam kicks in. And that could mean fewer millennials will qualify for Medicaid. Republicans also want to do away with Obamacare's mandate that everyone have health insurance. But they do want to encourage people not to drop out and then wait until they're sick to re-enroll. The GOP plan still requires insurers to accept customers with pre-existing conditions, so it imposes a penalty for not maintaining continuous insurance coverage. If you stop being insured, you could be forced to pay 3 times the rate to re-enroll. The head of Young Invincibles, an advocacy group for millennials, says the continuous coverage provision would disproportionately burden low-income young adults trying to get their financial foothold. If the Republican plan passes, job-hopping millennials who don't have a lot of savings will have a new set of rules and penalties to navigate. That's the short answer.